In this video, I will show you how to remove your photo background in Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. So here's I have a photo and I will show you how to remove this photo background. So this phone doesn't support built-in option to remove your photo background. So you have to use our internet to do that. So go ahead and open a browser in your mobile, and in browser you have to search for remove bg. We have to type here remove bg and open this website remove.bg. This is a very popular website to remove our photo background for free. Once you are in this website, tap on upload image, and now from your gallery go ahead and select your photo, and it takes few seconds to remove your photo background. And here you can see the before and after result. Now all you have to need, tap on download, or to download HD quality you have to create a free account in this website. So I'm just downloading my photo and going back to my gallery, and this is the photo with background and this is the photo without background. Thanks for watching.